Hi, welcome back to the Happy Hygienist. So today is a super quick 3-step flossing tutorial. Let's go. So step 1, you want to take a bit of floss approximately sort of shoulder width in length. It's just a good way to measure it. I usually say like 30 centimeters, but this is easier to gauge. And then wrap it around your middle fingers like so, and grip it between your thumbs. This is going to give you the most control of the floss. Because if it's loose, if it's flimsy, you're more likely to sort of snap it down and hurt your gums. So you need maximum control. That's step 1. Step 2, you're going to push the floss up between the teeth. I'll demonstrate on myself in a second. Push the floss up between the teeth, give the tooth a hug, and then scoop down. And then up again, give the other side of the tooth a hug and scoop down. If your teeth are very tight together, you may need to sort of saw the floss up. It might not just go slide straight up. You might need to sort of pull it back and forth in a gentle sawing motion, but that's why having this good control is important. So let me demonstrate. Up, give the tooth a hug, and down, and then up your hug, give your tooth a hug, and down. Lovely. So final step, step 3, is to move down your floss to a clean inch of floss. Okay, this is a really important step because if you just use the same piece of floss for every single tooth, you're not doing anything. You know, you're just going to be moving your plaque from here to here to here to here, etc. So you're doing no good. So make sure you get a clean piece of floss and then repeat. Up, hug, down. Up, hug, down. Obviously, if you're flossing your bottom teeth, it'll be down, hug, up. You get the idea. So that's it, as simple as that. Now these are tips, these are not steps, but tip 1 would be to floss before you brush. The reason for this is that when we floss, we remove the plaque and debris that's hiding in between our teeth, and our toothbrushes have more trouble getting to those areas. And so then when you do brush your teeth after flossing, the fluoride in your toothpaste is able to access those areas in between the teeth that were previously hidden by plaque or debris or food, and it's able to sort of work its magic and prevent tooth decay in between your teeth. So winning. Tip number 2 is to have a good rinse after you floss, just with some water. Just get some water in your mouth and really throw it around in there, you know, close your teeth together and push the water back and forth between your teeth, because what this will do is it will flush out any of the plaque or food that you might have loosened with your floss but not quite got it out. So it just make your flossing more effective. And that is it. As simple as that. And I really hope that this helped and that this does make flossing less intimidating, because I know a lot of my patients say, oh, I don't floss, it seems like such a chore, it seems so hard. So I'm hoping that by cutting it down to these 3 simple steps, that you'll be willing to give it a go, because flossing is so important for maintaining good oral health. And until I see you next time, keep smiling.